Hello students, it is the second video of the simplification. In first video, you use only the fundamental operation. How can solve there are the two or more fundamental operation are given in a one expression, then how can solve? In this video, we explain the use of brackets. As you know that brackets are used to separate various parts of an expression. Separate means alag alag. Separate part of an expression. Like this expression are the given, and in this expression use the different types of the bracket and separate the part of the expression. So there are four kind of the brackets. First is bar or binoculum bracket. This is line which draw above the number. Second bracket is round or small bracket. Third is curly or brace bracket. Next is square or big bracket. These are the four brackets. While simplifying expression, the order of simplifying the brackets are, what is the order to solve the bracket? First we solve the bar or binoculum bracket. Next round or small bracket. Then after curly, and at last we use the solve the square or big bracket. For simplifying the expression involving bracket, we must proceed according to the letters of the word. V, B, O, D, M, A, S. According to this letter of the words, we solve the expression using the involving the bracket. So where this letter means B stand for binoculum or bar bracket. First we simplify the bar bracket. Second, B stand for we solve the one by one bracket. Then O stand for of, D stand for division, M stand for multiplication, A stand for addition, and S stand for subtraction. Now we learn how can solve the brackets simplification. So we learn by the example. Example number 1. Here the expression are the given. Simplify. Here in this simplification, first we see now which letters of word are the given. So first is B, binoculum or bar. So in this expression bar are the given? No. Next is B, brackets. So here are the in this expression brackets are the given. How many brackets are the given? First is square or big bracket. Second is curly bracket. Third is small or round bracket. So first is we solve the round or small bracket. In round and small bracket there are three fundamental operations. So in this expression we operate using the fundamental. These are the three fundamental operations. So first we multiply the expression and other numbers of the expression we write it. So 16 minus 11 minus curly bracket 8 divided, and first we solve the small bracket 8 divided small bracket. So in small bracket there are three signs of the fundamental: plus, multiply, minus. So then division are not given. So first we doing the multiplication. So 17 plus 3 multiplied to 6 minus 19, and close the one by one bracket. First we close the last bracket, small bracket, then curly, and at last square. Now in second step we 16 minus 11 minus curly bracket 8 divided. Now we after multiplication we doing the division. So 17 plus 6 we added. The sum is 23 minus 19 and then close the 1 by 1 bracket. In next step, 16 minus square bracket 11 minus curly bracket 8 divided, and now here is only one fundamental operation, subtract. We subtract the number and remove the small bracket. So 23 minus 19, so we get 4, and when we remove the small bracket, so close now the curly bracket and square bracket. Next is step, now we solve the curly bracket. So 16 minus 11 minus, and in curly bracket only one fundamental operation of division. So we divide and remove the bracket of curly. So 8 divided by 4, so it's divide now 2 times. We divide it and then we close the square bracket, and at last we solve the small square bracket, means big bracket, and in big bracket have one fundamental operation, subtract. So we subtract it and remove the bracket. 11 minus 2 we get 9, and then at last we subtract 16 minus 9, so we get 8, sorry, we get 7. Okay, so this is the way to simplify the brackets of the expression. And now we learn by another example. Example number 2. Example number 2, we simplify 14 minus square bracket 12 minus curly bracket 9 minus small bracket 7 minus 6 bar bracket 6 minus 2 and 1 by 1 bracket are the close. So here the binoculum are the given. So first we solve the binoculum and other terms of the expression we copied it. So 16 minus 12 minus curly bracket 9 minus small bracket 7 minus. So first we subtract, because binoculum is between the 6 and 2. So from 6 to 2 we subtract and remove the binoculum bracket 4, and then 1 by 1 bracket we close it. Okay, then next step is, say 14 minus, we now solve the small bracket and other bracket we copy. 16 minus 7 minus 4, only one fundamental, so we subtract and remove the small bracket. 7 minus 4 we get 3, and then here missing is curly bracket 9 minus and 7 minus 4 3, and then curly bracket close and square bracket close. Then after we solve the curly bracket. So 14 minus square bracket 12 minus, in curly bracket only one fundamental operation, subtract. So we subtract from 9 minus 3 and remove the curly bracket 6, and then square bracket will close, and in square bracket only one fundamental operation. So from 12 minus 6 we get 6 and remove the square bracket 6, and from 14 minus 6 we subtract it, so we get 8. Okay, thank you.